Hi, guys. Welcome to Intern on Intern Interviews. We have our second guest. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Daniela, and I was born in Dunedin, Florida.
What department are you in and what's your role?
I'm in operations as a business analyst intern.
And what's your major and where did you go to school?
I graduated from USF doing business analytics and information systems.
What made you apply to Frank Crum?
I really loved the atmosphere from the videos that I watched and
The social media.
the research that I did prior to applying. I just really loved how the company looked and how they performed and how they showed themselves.
What three words would you use to describe your internship so far?
Challenging, informative, and analytical.
Has there been any person in particular who has made your internship more memorable or has taught you a lot in your experience?
Megan and Jonathan, shout out to them. They've been really helpful in teaching me, just guiding me and critiquing like what I'm doing, giving me positive feedback, and just helping me evolve and grow.
What are some of the projects that you've worked on so far?
Right now, I'm doing procedures, which is writing down like the steps of some of the things that our department has to do. I have to do like a little step-by-step guideline to help another person who doesn't know
Mhm.
what to do, for example, and they have like a how-to guide on how to do a certain policy or how to fix something.
How's that been so far? Has it been
It's been good.
challenging or
A little challenging because every step can be different. There's a lot of different ways to do different stuff, so it can be challenging at times.
how would you say this internship has influenced your view on your future career goals?
It's been helpful because I have to think outside the box, do a lot of analytical thinking, and a lot of problem solving that I used to never do. And it's definitely pushing me to learn more about like what I can do, like how can I problem solve in a different way.
What is your dream job?
Want to get into data analytics because that field seems pretty interesting to me. Learning how to analyze a bunch of data
Are you a
and
really
seeing
mathy person?
yeah,
I can tell.
I've always been a really like analytical person my whole life, so
And
it like fuels my brain.
what was your first job?
I was at a nursing home.
Oh,
Yeah, I was a wait staff server, so I would just take orders for the elderly and serve them their food. And yeah,
that's so
I loved them.
sweet.
They were so sweet.
What are some hobbies that you have outside of work?
I love to go to the gym. Mm, I also love to hang out with my friends, watch movies, go out to different places.
What's your favorite movie?
That's a good question. I love Coraline.
Oh.
Coraline.
I've never seen it, but I'm scared
No,
of
I
that.
love it. Even though it's like a child horror movie, it's just so good. I don't know.
I
Like
have to go home
the
and watch it.
claymation is just so advanced for its time. I'm not
They
gonna
made the
lie.
characters out of clay?
Yes.
What?
Yes, they have to do every single step by
And it's a
hand.
stop motion?
Yeah.
I've never seen it, but that sounds really interesting. So we all here at Frank Crown love Tilly's. What is your go-to Tilly's order?
I always get a salad and a
A
fruit
salad.
cup.
Okay. I said salad too, but I
Yeah,
also said soup.
me too. I love
I
the
feel like we
soup.
both get the soup a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah, the soups here are really good.
Now some rapid fire questions. Okay. Are you an early bird or a night owl?
Night owl.
Okay. Sweet or salty?
Salty.
Music or podcast?
Music.
Text or call?
Text.
Beach or pool?
Pool.
Pool. Dog or cat?
Dogs.
Same. Summer or winter?
Winter.
Hmm. Interesting.
Is that controversial?
No, there's not. I guess there's not really winter in Florida,
That's true. That's
but
true.
I can't handle the cold. So, night in or night out?
Depends on the vibe. It really depends on how I'm feeling. But I'm a homebody, so I like to stay in.
Staying with a
Yeah.
movie. Is there any advice you would give to a future intern next year or a student that's looking to apply?
View all your options and compare all your opportunities to see what best fits your goals and like what you want to do in the long term.
Well, thank you so much for
Thank you.
joining us, and we'll talk again soon.
Thank you.
Bye.